Good morning, Debbie.
Good morning, Mom.
Happy spring to all of you.
And happy Easter coming up.
We're getting ready.
So here we are at my house. Everything you see here is purchased by us and filmed in my home, so there's no copyright.
And there is no music of any kind in it either because of copyright problems.
So hopefully we don't have to get into another dispute.
Okay, here we go.
So let's go. With the first thing is the sign. That is from the 99-cent store, and I'm just using it as I bought it. Next year I will repurpose it to something else, but time is limited, so
We're doing the best we can. Okay, now we're going down to the first shelf.
And these are some items that I got from Anna Lee.
As you can tell, we buy a lot of stuff from her.
So we have that little Easter Joys Be Yours sign. It's super cute. And then I got these little ceramic bunnies. And I got 3 of them. And they can be hung on the tree, but they're so pretty. I thought they would be nice to be on the shelf here.
I think, truthfully, I like them better on the shelf. I really do.
And it is pretty dark, but you know it is. We'll take some pictures. No.
Well, we can take pictures, but we can't use them in a slideshow. We have no music now.
I don't know what we're gonna do. But anyways, they're cute. They look better when you have a little bit of.
Well, maybe we'll take a couple pictures and put them at the end of the video. There will be no music because we cannot put music up without copyright problems. So we're moving on, not worrying about it anymore for right now.
And then here's another little sign. This came in a series of a set of 3, and I have 2 on this shelf. And this one says A Joyful Easter.
And
so
let's go over here to the other one real quick.
And the other one says Easter Greetings with the little chick.
Very cute. And then
if you see, I try to.
Oh, there's the little other bunny.
Yeah, there's the little other one.
Super
and
cute.
I put the little purple flowers because that kind of goes with the Easter greetings.
And it worked out good. You put it everywhere. It's all.
Yeah, kind of try to pull it all together. And then I don't know if you noticed, but I put some covering on here so it wouldn't be raw wood.
Now, is that going to stay permanently or is that just temporary?
It's temporary, but I actually bought it as shelf paper for that cabinet that Carlos is going to put in my new place. But it was so pretty. I thought
I tell you, I think it's going to look pretty really for all of Easter and spring and maybe even summer. I don't know. We don't know.
But it's my vibe. I was doing a lot of Victorian stuff before we moved into this house, and this is what I'm drawn to. So I feel like I'm going back to my love.
Yeah, I think that's what we're both doing because I like whimsical type things, but with a little chic, Victorian sort of look.
Yeah.
I think well, I guess that's why we're related. We have similar taste.
So, and then I tried to.
I want to show those beautiful pearls. Aren't they gorgeous, guys?
So I wanted to try to, hide this little edge. So I just used a doily and made it look like little lace.
It looks very pretty.
So, you got to do what you have in your tool chest. So that's what I had. So, and then we have, moving into the middle, we have our Mackenzie Child's teapot. And I threw some flowers in there that were Mom's. I took out of another flower arrangement she made. And that Mackenzie Child is really pretty with the Easter because of the yellows, the blues,
and
the light green.
I'm going to go in closer for you can see they have all these beautiful colors in there.
Kind of hard. I got this bright light here. Let's see. Does that help at all?
Well, we'll take one picture and I'll turn the flash on and we'll see what it does. We can only do so much. We're eventually going to have to pay some money to get some better lighting in this house.
Yes.
Oh,
and then that is my bunny. I just love that bunny. He came from Home Goods, and so I stuck him.
I just love the way the ears are finished off. They're so cute.
again, you know, the roses, that's kind of, you know, my Victorian.
Shabby chic.
Yeah, I really like that. And then those little carrots, I made those from clay and using a mold.
Now, how did you do the leaves? They're so beautiful.
I just put the green in first, the green clay in first, and made sure it was where it needed to be before I put the orange in. And then it all just, because that Model Magic, once it touches another piece of Model Magic, it automatically sticks. And then with the mold, you have to put it in the freezer so you could pull it out of the mold without it, you know, bending and all that. So.
And I love how these little purple flowers, they were a really good buy, weren't they?
Yeah, and that was that big thing was $3.99, and we just keep pulling the flowers off. The thing itself that it came on is pretty ugly, but I saw that, hey, we can just remove the flowers and use them individually. So
yeah, it just looks beautiful in everything you're doing.
Aw, thank you, Mom.
Okay, now we're going down to the